Whoa. What was that? It smells like B.O. Somebody pissed in here?
Alright, Rakim's detailing here. So for this job, we're going to be doing an interior and exterior on this Toyota Camry. So we're going to get our stuff up, set up here, and I'll give a little look through, see what we're working with.
It's just me and you in this tiny room. I don't wanna move till the afternoon. Smoke on the terrace and into the kitchen. I don't want no other way of living. Smile so big, I wanna take a picture. Nothing can replace the feeling when I'm with ya. It don't matter what's outside these walls. Feels like heaven is